Today our topic is ribonucleic acid, that is RNA. Ribonucleic acid. Ribonucleic acid, like DNA, is a long, unbranched macromolecular consists of nucleotides joined by 3 to 5 फॉस्फोडाइस्टर बॉन्ड्स. कौन से बॉन्ड्स होते हैं? फॉस्फोडाइस्टर बॉन्ड्स के थ्रू जुड़े रहते हैं. ऑल्दो आरएनए शेयर्स मैनी फीचर्स विद डीएनए, but it has several specific differences. Number one, in RNA, the sugar quantity to which the phosphate and the nitrogen bases are attached is ribose. कौन सी शुगर मिलती है? राइबोज शुगर मिलती है. इन स्पाइट ऑफ डीऑक्सीराइबोज शुगर की जगह इन रिप्लेसमेंट करता है डीऑक्सीराइबोज शुगर को. कौन? राइबोज. इन आरएनए one of the pyrimidine base is uracil in place of thymine of DNA. DNA में क्या मिल रहा था? थाइमीन मिल रहा था, और यहाँ पे थाइमीन को कौन रिप्लेस कर रहा है? यूरेसिल. ऑल्दो अदर 3 bases like adenine, guanine and cytosine are common in RNA as well as DNA. Uracil, like thymine of DNA, can form a base pair with adenine by 2 hydrogen bonds. Right? Number 3, RNA exists as a single stranded, whereas DNA exists as a double stranded molecule. However, given the proper complementary base sequence with opposite polarity, opposite directions में होते हैं, opposite polar पे होते हैं, the single strand of RNA may fold back on itself like a hairpin. हेयरपिन की तरह, जैसे यू शेप का एक हेयरपिन होता है, जूड़ा पिन, उस टाइप से ये फोल्ड हो जाता है. एंड दस एक्वायर द डबल स्ट्रैंडेड पैटर्न. इन द रीजन ऑफ हेयरपिन लूप्स, a pair with U and G pair with C. Adenine pairs with uracil and guanine pairs with cytosine. However, the base pairing in RNA hairpin is frequently imperfect. RNA is a single-stranded molecule. Its guanine content does not necessarily equal its cytosine content, and its adenine content does not necessarily equal to uracil content. is guanine content के बराबर नहीं होता, cytosine uracil के बराबर नहीं होता. RNA can be hydrolyzed by alkyl to 2 or 3 cyclic diesters of the mononucleotides. The structure of RNA is believed to be similar to that of DNA, except for the difference it is sugar. which sugar? Pentose sugar, D-ribose unit, and the hydrocyclic base. वो क्या है? हाइड्रोसाइक्लिक बेस यूरेसिल in place of thymine. Like DNA, these are also polynucleotides linked together by phosphate diester bond. मैंने आपको बताया the purine base, adenine and guanine, the pyrimidine base, cytosine and uracil are present, but they are not present in equimolar amount. The molecule is less organized than the DNA molecule. There is a internal hydrogen bonding within the chain to keep it in a coiled position. Coiled position कैसे आएगी? लूप बनेगा U-pin type. A helical pattern is formed not between two strands but by the same coiled strand folding band on itself. दो नहीं होते हेलिक्स, दो स्ट्रैंड नहीं होते, बल्कि एक ही होता है, वही बैंड हो जाता है टर्न बैक, राइट, यू पिन की साइड तरह से. 3 type of RNA are present in a cell, that is ट्रांसफर RNA, और इसको हम soluble RNA भी बोलेंगे, राइबोसोमल RNA, एंड थर्ड वन इज मैसेंजर RNA, mRNA जिसको हम बोलते हैं, ट्रांसफर RNA, tRNA. This model is proposed by G.R. Phillips in 1969. The amino acid to be transported to the ribosome for protein synthesis attaches to this end, which ends 3 end of the RNA. In this, the first loop is made up of 7 unpaired mononucleotides, जिसको हम बोलेंगे T2C loop, T2C, thymine to cytosine loop. And then ribosomal RNA. Ribosome contain a large portion of the RNA of the cell, representing as much as 80% of the total RNA. In some bacteria, messenger RNA, it is present in the cell in small quantity, that is less than 5% of the total RNA. Messenger RNA molecules carry genetic information from DNA to the protein molecules. Although messenger RNA in most organisms is single-stranded chain, it may assume secondary folding in many viruses. कुछ वायरसेस में सेकेंडरी फोल्डिंग भी अवेलेबल होती है, दिखाई देती है. तो 3 तरह के आपने RNA पढ़े, ट्रांसफर RNA, राइबोसोमल RNA एंड मैसेंजर RNA. आई थिंक chemistry of nucleic acid is clear to all of you. Thank you. Now comes to biological significance of nucleic acids. Nucleic acids, RNA or DNA. Deoxyribose nucleic acid is found in all biological systems with the exception of certain viruses. In higher organisms, it is confined to the nucleus, chloroplasts and mitochondria. DNA is genetically active component of chromosomes, सभी जानते हैं, and functions as basic carrier of genetic information. Many of the enzymes present in mitochondria and chloroplasts are synthesized under the direction of DNA, which is present in those organelles in some plant viruses. The genetic function is performed by RNA. RNA के थ्रू भी होता है. DNA also works as a template for the synthesis of various type of RNAs present in the cell. टेम्पलेट की तरह काम करता है DNA, and RNA in turn perform other functions like structural organization of ribosomes, transfer of amino acids from cytoplasm to the ribosomes, and carrying the message for protein synthesis. Some RNAs have catalytic function and are known as ribozyme. एंजाइम की तरह काम करते हैं तो इसको हम राइबोजाइम बोलते हैं. Beside this, many nucleotides and bases are important metabolites. विटामिन B1 जिसको थायमीन बोलते हैं is a pyrimidine derivative. In recent years, certain pyrimidine derivatives have been found to be of important biological applications. Further transfer RNA from yeast, bacteria, mammals and higher plants, when degraded by enzymes or acids, yield active cytokinins. Isopentylene adenosine is found in the transfer RNA for serine and tyrosine in the yeast, and G18 riboside is found in the transfer RNA of many higher plants. Thus, you can study or understand the biological significance of nucleic acid.